Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious strawberry smoothie. First, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, half a cup of your preferred liquid like milk or juice, and 1/4 cup of plain or vanilla yogurt. These simple components are the foundation for a perfect, refreshing drink. Ensure your strawberries are ripe for the best flavor. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add your strawberries, liquid, and yogurt into a blender. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can include 1 tablespoon of honey, maple syrup, or another sweetener. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds. Continue blending until there are no visible chunks and the smoothie is perfectly smooth. Once blended, you can customize your smoothie to your liking. If it's too thick, add a little more liquid until it reaches your desired consistency. For a colder, thicker smoothie, toss in a few ice cubes and blend again. A dash of vanilla extract can also elevate the flavor. Pour your freshly made strawberry smoothie into a glass and enjoy it right away for the best taste. Here are some final tips for your strawberry smoothie success. Using frozen strawberries eliminates the need for ice, resulting in a richer flavor and thicker texture. Feel free to experiment with other fruits like bananas or blueberries, or add a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade strawberry smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.